Hi, I'm Sequoia. Thanks for stopping by. So you probably need a voice for your commercial, video narration, e-learning video, or phone greeting. Guess what? You've come to the right place. But what makes me so unique with so many voice actors to choose from? I can bring any script to life. Educational and transparent, upbeat, youthful and excited, calming to ease stress, confident, motivational so you don't give up, emotional and touching, conversational like how I'm talking right now, or maybe you're looking for something more urban and smooth to set the vibe right. I can do that too, and so much more like these right here. Walmart is investing in the most important part of our company, our people, because a raise in pay raises us all. Introducing the newest seasonal from Samuel Adams, a Helles lager brewed with orange blossom. A bicycle can be among a runner's most valuable tools for training the body to shift into gear. And the essence of Pura Vida inspires happiness and gratitude